Unlock your potential. Push-up workout for total body fitness. Tired of the same old workout routine? The push-up is more than just a chest exercise. It's a full-body powerhouse. Let's explore variations to challenge your muscles and elevate your fitness game. Warm up. Light cardio like jogging in place or jumping jacks for 5 minutes. Dynamic stretches like arm circles, torso twists, and leg swings. Workout. Standard push-ups build strength and endurance. Aim for 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Wide grip push-ups. Focus on chest and front shoulders. Hands wider than shoulder width apart. Diamond push-ups. Target triceps and inner chest. Hands close together, forming a diamond shape. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet for increased difficulty. Targets lower chest and core. Incline push-ups. Use a bench or chair to elevate your hands. Targets upper chest. Clap push-ups. Explosive move for power and speed. Clap your hands between reps. Cool down. Static stretches like holding a chest stretch or a downward dog for 5 minutes. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now to transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Remember, proper form is key. Lower yourself slowly and push up explosively. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one.